New Jailbreakers. It's iApple shit, and I'm gonna show you, I guess, the newer things or the mandatory things or the things you might need to use or something you might like becoming a new jailbreaker. And I'm gonna show you my iPad because on my iPhone 4 it's like already decked out and everything. And I don't feel like taking everything, so I haven't done anything on my iPad 2 since the new jailbreak came out. I've just done minor things, so I restored it just for you guys. So you're gonna start by hold up. So you're gonna start by going to Cydia, and basically everything it says, because Cydia reads whatever device you have, whatever iDevice you have. So if you have an iPad or iPhone, it's gonna say put these things down, and really whatever you want, whatever it says, you're gonna want to add, because like Activator, if you want to change your home button layout or press 1 to get home or press 2 to get home or press 3 to start music or something crazy like that, it's not really needed, but it helps. And like SbSettings, you definitely need that, because there are applications like Android Lock XT, where like one time did my Android Lock code, and then I couldn't get back into it because it wouldn't read my code, and I knew I only do one code for the Android lock, and for some reason it wasn't working. So I dragged the top of the SbSettings like this, and right here where it says respring, actually I didn't respring it. I went to more, and then through more I put it in safe mode, and safe mode is kind of like a Windows computer. It doesn't let you get the full feature of it. What it does is it lets you delete anything or install anything that you want to through like inside the device, instead of having everything that you have downloaded or whatnot. So I was able to uninstall Android Lock XT that way. Next, a lot of people will want iFile right here. iFile helps a lot also because, like, I mean, this is kind of helps when you get more into it, but like iFile would be used to change let's see, like host and settings. You'll go actually into it and you'll change, like, instead of from apple.com you put like gazoni.com or something, and that'll help for like if you're trying to get Siri on your iPad 2 or any other thing that's takes you more into detail with your device. And also, well, this, let me tell you what this is. This is called Intelliscreenx. You do get a free 3-day trial with it. I suggest you highly look into it if you have any iDevice. It is pretty awesome. You get to look at your Twitter, Facebook, messages, everything in a whole different style, just from not even opening your iDevice. But you should really check that out in Cydia. Next, actually, I'm gonna show you. Let's see. Sources. A lot of people are like, well, I have a shit. Where do you get like your free stuff from? Like, every time I hear about jailbreaking, I mean, yeah, it's easy, but what we really want is the free games. So, this is the main repository that I use. The repo is insanely I. Let's see. It has just about everything you need. Like, that's all just A's right there. It has seriously a lot of things you need, and it has cracked apps and cracked apps, cracked themes, and everything. And what that does is, like, for example, you want your free games. So the program for free games is called Intelliscreenx, and it's the newest one, Intelliscreenx 4. I haven't downloaded it yet because it does take a little while. But Intelliscreenx 4, you download it, and all the paid apps that are in the App Store, you get them for free. It's that simple. And let's see. Actually, I'm gonna connect my, and that's how you get your free games. Is that on my iPad? I should show. And then since I don't have some of the products, I will show you some of the other devices that I have. Well, let's see. Yeah, I'll just use my iPhone. This is my, I guess, decked out thing. And see, like, get a little more intense. Like, people are like, okay, how'd you get the blanks right here? Because you don't see anything, and you're wondering. well, that's with a program called iBlank. And then this theme you can get from, let's see, also in Cydia. Where is it? Alright, so right here in Cydia, you're going to want to go to search and then type in Winterboard. What Winterboard does is it's where you get all your themes from. Well, it's not where you get all your themes from, but it's what I guess changes your GUI for your themes, your graphical user interface. So let me type that in. Show you what it looks like. Right here, so you already have it installed. Right there, Winterboard. It's by the creator, Cydia. And then once you have that downloaded, right here. And some of the there's also a new feature called Summerboard, and a lot of people wanted it to be added, even though it shouldn't. I mean, it is good for the newer themes, but some of the older themes you might have, they might tell you to not to uninstall, but to turn off Summerboard mode. And like right here, I have Acromatic HD, and it has all this other stuff like lock screen, and these are like some of the things I downloaded, and where I got that from. Those themes, like you're like, how do you know how to download, what things to download, what to search for? Really, you can search for anything. Like say you're a pot smoker, you can search for weed plants. If you like NASCARs or any sport, whatever sport you like, you can search that theme, and hopefully someone likes that also created that theme and will hope you downloaded it. And a lot of themes are paid for, but then again, with like the repo I showed you, Insanely I'll put it in the description below. It's cracked a lot of things. It cracked probably about 98% of most of them. And that one program, Intelliscreenx, I do have it, but it's not on right now because I just got done using it and I have to pay for it. So I'm going to pay for that tomorrow. But let's see. Actually, let's see. Cydia. Like here, this is for the iPhone interface. See, it tells me right there, iPhone 4. But see, like featured themes basically. Say you like one of these themes. Let's click this. So say you like one of these themes and they're paid for. All these themes, most of these themes are gonna show us probably except four are gonna be free, and the rest of them, look, they're gonna be paid for. And these themes are pretty cool. But as long as you got that repo I show, and I'll probably put in another repo that also has other stuff. If that doesn't have it, but Insanely I does have a lot of stuff on it, and it's a newer repo. And see, like all these are paid for, and they look pretty cool. So like right there, Anbu or Amplify looks pretty cool. And if I just searched it because of my Ampli, yeah, it's taking a while. But usually search it, and then it'll come up under, let's see, right here. You see, like right there it says Insanely themes, and right here, see, that's another repo I'll put, the Xcelise one. It also has everything, but the regular Amplify, it's like down here somewhere. But these will show you that if Insanely has it, it's a cracked theme, like it says themes right there. And that's for the majority about it. Basically, this did iBlank is basically a blank folder right here, like I told you earlier. And what does this? It's called Barrel, Barrel. You can search that also. I'm not sure if it's paid for. If it is, Insanely I will have it cracked. And that's about it. Thank you. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and like.